This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Booker. Welcome to this beautifully upgraded Lennar Easton Model, one of the largest floor plans in the Lennar Collection, offering 3,600 square feet of living space in the highly sought-after Arden community of Loxahatchee, Florida. Built in 2019 and move-in ready, this newer construction, two-story home sits on a premium lot with space on both sides, not a zero lot line, and includes 4 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and a host of high-end features and upgrades completed after closing. This thoughtfully designed home offers the ideal layout for today's lifestyle, including a first-floor bedroom and full bath, perfect for guests, multi-generational living, or an in-law suite. Upstairs, the expansive main suite boasts dual walk-in closets and a spa-style bathroom within. For more information.